아직. Just put it there. Sige, put it there in the car. I mean this one. Sige, come. It's very hot. I like it. Sige, no, that's why I'll be happy because today I didn't sleep well. But anyway, come on.
But today is Wednesday, so?
Oh no, that's why tomorrow, Friday, and I will only go there Saturday, and then Saturday, Friday I'm home like all days. I will be teaching online only in the morning, couple hours, because some families they go away. That's why.
Early in
Maybe on Friday I will be teaching 3-4 hours in the morning. Sunday also maybe a couple hours, you know.
Yeah, I called that appointment with that one.
Wow, guapo.
You're cute,
I know.
You know, you're so cute. You know that,
I know, so good. Magic is cute, chick. We can close the car. Huh?
Oh, but
Let's go just faster. I need to go faster. I can make it on time. Here you go. That's cool. How is it, the guy? You can see as well?
It's so wide.
Really? He likes it. It's nice, Erika. That's why I miss this kind of days. Oh my gosh, it's like that yesterday. Oh my gosh, Erika. Sorry I asked you, Erika, but it's like what this. But Erika, can you promise me you stop cheap, Suka? Wow, look at our beach. Our private beach. Look, Erika. Wow. Look how calm we come. I know, it's so calm. Look, come. But it's still warm wind, Erika. It's not cold. Huh? No, it's okay. Lighting. Wow. No, let's go water. Look, I get him. Hi, Mama.
La 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 la. It will come. It's big. Wow! Gilay. May kayo sleepy na.
Brum. Let's go, let's go. Bye. Yeah, okay, can you buy yourself three of it like that? Can you bring my headphones? I want to listen to it. I need to put it back. Like that, yeah. Give me it around the hand so I can... How is it that fun?
Like that.
Check it, guys. Sit on. Wow. Magic. Bye beach, thank you. Let's sit in front because otherwise in the garage. That doesn't matter, it's where you want.
So it will be easy.
Easy to get it out, yeah. Oh, really? Sige. Yeah.
Like you're doing vlog.
Oh no, it's so nice, I like it. Maybe Simka, it's like, I don't know.
Pwede ko.
Because in summer we didn't go that much, I want to revenge it, you know, like that, okay?
We did that.
I know, that's the time now, because already last month, Sika, that's why. Then it will be winter. Rising mountains. Where's the dog? Dog! Look at his hand, he doesn't like his hand too much. Magic berry.
There you look.
Oh, look berry. Watermelon.
Because it's cold.
Oh, watermelon. Don't do much chicken. Hey. Oh, watermelon. Don't force him. Did you finish that black one, Sika?
Small.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, don't do that.
Let's go.
Let's go. Wala, chika.
Just give open it. Magic watermelon, look.
Remember that time on him.
Huh?
Remember that time on him.
He's what?
You remember that time ba? You know what happened yesterday?
Oh, I'm done. Magic, let's go.
Watermelon.
He's going. Sige na, let's go.
Remember
Really? Come on. Abba, let's go, big boy. Wow, let's just go that small guy.
What is that? Okay then. This.
Sige, main kasi. Mama.
What is that?
Is it on the widest? It's so
Go
comfortable.
step in there.
Sige ka.
There's fire.
No, don't step there. Look, you go step.
No, it's dirty.
Go try.
Step in it.
I don't feel like it.
Try.
Like I feel like maybe there's stone. Don't.
It's dirty.
It's nice, but it's not.
If it's sand, I can...
I know. I pity this lake because some lake is like sand and clear. And this one is like even snow. It's like the gross.
That color, that bamba. Look ba, that bamba. It's like a color that wave on. That bayas.
That's nice.
In the Philippines ba?
Really? Sige ka, sige.
Yes, gonna.
Sige, put it. Make some picture and go.
Like I want to pura ba?
Really? Check, come on. Oh, check. Even if it's sandy, we can swim there.
It's better in Con like that.
Let's try, yeah.
If it's
next
windy,
time.
in Canton it's good.
When we have more time, we'll do it. Sige. Hey,
In sunset, okay, it would be nice.
Wow, I like car. Like car.
Because
Magic
it's
say.
okay before you, okay, you're doing like that.
Car. What? Gimbal. Small. Not that much. Oh my gosh, it will be so nice. I'm gonna turn with it.
You have the key, Ika?
Yep, in my pocket. I don't think I closed it. I did not close it. Because we are here anyway. But yeah, it's so quiet and peaceful. Yeah. Jake. No, see.
Maybe I can sleep here.
Let's see, yeah. Let's go shower and then we'll sleep. It's like, you know what I mean? I feel like we're on holidays. And then I'll go work out in Jaycee. I was lazy today with practicing, but I still did small at school work.
He doesn't want to sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
I want to try to hire that other guy for that Google Maps. Maybe he'll help us to get it promoted well. Cincy. I like it, the guy loves it. He loves it, gotta get it. I like it. Look at the guy smiling, oh my gosh. It's so sweet, oh my gosh. You know that? Like it. Sige, guy, let's go. He's mad, Chiguka, let's go.
Don't do that.
No, don't. No, he's mad. Look, beautiful eyes, beautiful eyes. What happened? Why is he like that now?
Don't scratch my face, okay?
Because, okay, come on, we'll be really late, come on. Oh, that's why I didn't see it. What is that? No, okay, don't come. It's so emotional, my gosh. Sige, sige, let's go. No! What is that? Don't do that. Calm down, come on. Вставай, мальчик. Come on, мальчик. Don't be bad. No kitchen mama, no scratching mama. You're not Min. You like Min? Okay, sige na, come on.
No.
No.
No. Mommy finger, where are you?
Is it okay now?
Here I am. Mommy finger,
That's so cute.
where are you?
Sige na, let's go.
Here I am.
Sige na, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Electric said Min, I thought she's there. Hey. Electric, come on. Mama.
Look at your hair. Yeah, it's a punk.
I know, it's like a cold.
Sige.
When it will be cold with that, we will watch movies instead of this,
So
you know?
we're using the
No, I just saw mine and look at.
just enjoy it first.
Of course, it will be calm, cozy.
So we'll go out if it's cold.
Hmm?
Or we'll go out if it's cold.
Sige na. Well, that's my shoes, that's it.
I'm letting you.
Magic, come on. Kuchu.